Guys, so today I want to show you guys how I like to do a natural low maintenance look. So this is a great moisturizer for people that are low maintenance since it's 6-in-1. On days where I want to be fast, I'll just use a puff and pat my foundation on. You can definitely skip eyeshadow if that's not your thing. I just like a little bit of powder over my eyes since I tend to get a little bit oily. For the brows, I find powder or an eyebrow pencil to be the most natural and the fastest. And if you have oily skin like me, you're going to have to powder up. So I feel like lining the lash line helps emphasize the eyes in a subtle way. You can already kind of see the difference. At this point, you can just apply mascara to your top and bottom lashes. I'm not a huge fan of mascara that much, so I'm gonna pop on some really natural lashes. So I just put on a lip color. You can just put on whatever color, or even a lip balm if you don't like lipstick. And then I'm gonna finish this off with a little bit of blush. You don't have to. So this is what I like to do for a more natural day. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye!